What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another video, man. Another live trading session, man. Another live trading session. If it's your first time here, man, I do these live just for myself. I do these live just so stupid dog. I do these live just so I can journal my trades. I do go over these trades after the markets close on the weekend just to journal myself, man. And the market just opened, man. So y'all know what we doing, man. We watching these charts. Shut the fuck up. All right, guys, I'm just scanning these charts. Look, let me shut this stupid ass dog up. All right, guys, we back. Slow Monday morning. Y'all know how Mondays be in the market. Mondays don't usually give us some good price action, but we gonna see what the charts want to do today. All we can do is do what the charts want us to do. You got Netflix up 3% today. Let's see if AMD can break its highs. So overnight, we didn't have a really straight gap. We didn't have a gap like that. Charts kind of overnight charts was kind of still in range from Friday's close. So we're looking for the charts to break those ranges. Monday market, man. So we got SPY really not doing nothing right now. QQQ not really doing nothing. NVIDIA, AMD look like they're trying to get over that 520 level. QQQ trying to get over that 520 level. I do have a trend line running close to Friday's high on QQQ. But we gonna hold tight, man. Hold tight. AMD and NVIDIA trying to be strong today. I'm just scanning the chart. If y'all see me, I'm just scanning the charts. And I will bring the chart up here. All I'm doing right now is looking at charts, eliminating charts, seeing what I like. I do run off of the S&P 500. I do trade 11 stocks, 5 QQQ, NVIDIA, AMD, Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, and Tesla. Those are the 11 stocks that I do trade. I don't trade them every day. I just look at them every day. If it gives me a good move, then I will enter it. If not, then I will just be watching. I like this Apple right here. Apple's showing a little bullish, a little bearish momentum. But we don't know the direction of the charts today. We don't know what the trend is today. So we just holding tight, man. Holding tight. AMD is taking off. Google is holding. I like that. Google is holding these highs. If we can get above pre-market high, that green line right there, that'll be a good entry on Google. We're above the 200 moving average. QQQ showing some strength. I knew the video was finna take off. Damn. The video and AMD taking off. Google is still holding an open price. I like that. Tesla is trying to be weak. Tesla is rejecting a little bit. I needed to pass these levels though. You see we moving sideways right now. NVIDIA is up 2%. Let's see if it rejects. Let's see if NVIDIA rejects. Apple is rejecting. Everything is moving sideways right now. We just chilling, waiting to see what the market wants to do today. That's all we doing right now. Apple cannot get above these highs. I think Apple is almost at an all-time high. Let me see. Yeah. Apple is up there by all-time highs. Google still haven't done nothing. SPY and QQQ haven't gave us a push yet. Everything is just moving sideways. We just don't hold tight. If this NVIDIA can open by, look at AMD. If this NVIDIA can get over this pre-market high and close, I can find an entry on that. But I don't like how SPY is rejecting its highs and QQQ is rejecting the highs. Y'all see that? Every time SPY and QQQ went up, it wicked up there. Y'all see them wicks? That's That's not a good sign for a bullish move. So we're gonna hold tight. We're gonna hold tight. How y'all doing this morning? I know it's Monday. A lot of people don't like trading on Monday, but y'all know I'm here every day. I'm live every day trading these stocks. Tesla showing a little bearish pressure. Look at Tesla. That's a good entry right there if you're aggressive, but I needed to break these lows. I needed to break these pre-market lows. Yeah, Tesla pulling back still. Tesla pulled back almost all last week, for the last 2 days of last week. I hit a good move off of Tesla Friday, like 200%. I need NVIDIA to get above 137 for me to find an entry. I do like this Tesla though. I need Tesla to close below this pre-market low. As you can see, SPY and QQQ is moving sideways. It's not a good sign right now. So we just holding tight. We're not in any trade right now. And guys, if you're just now joining in, I do these lives just to journal my trades myself. I like to go over my trades, see what I did wrong, see what I did right. And I just want to bring you guys along with me, you know what I'm saying? Why not trade together? A lot of people don't know these charts like that. The money is in the charts, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, Tesla is weak. But we still moving sideways on the chart, man. Y'all see that? We still moving sideways. We haven't had a big move. NVIDIA is the only one that's gave us a move. Let's see, NVIDIA is up 2% today. Google is weak. Google is rejecting its highs. Damn, we're gonna have a bearish day? Are we gonna have a bearish day? Let's see what Netflix is doing. All right, I need Netflix to close above this weekly level, this blue level right here. That's a weekly level. That's a strong level, but if we close up below that, we can find an entry on Netflix. Damn, AMD is taking off. And I'm just scanning the charts, guys. If you see me looking to the side, I got different screens pulled up. I'm just scanning the charts. Once I find a decent chart, you know, I pull it up for y'all every time. But it's only 9:43. Market's only been open 13 minutes, so a lot of slow action right now. We just chilling. AMD had a good move, man. QQQ about to close below this 200 moving average. Damn, y'all see AMD? AMD never pulled back though. Y'all see that? For me to get into a trade, it has to pull back. I need to see a pullback. AMD never pulled back. Look at Netflix. It's probably gonna break and retest that weekly level. If it retests that weekly level, we can find us an entry. Tesla is very weak. All right, there go QQQ. All right, QQQ. QQQ said, I'm out of here. QQQ is leaving that consolidation right now. So that's a good sign on the tech side. If you don't know, QQQ does run most of the tech stocks. So when you see QQQ going down, usually the other tech stocks are going down, like Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, them chip stocks, all that. You usually see bearish pressure. So I'm just holding tight right now. SPY is out. SPY is rejecting its highs also. So we might have another bearish day. So we're just gonna hold tight. Just let the chart break our levels. If you see that red and the green is my pre-market high. The red is my pre-market low. I need the chart to break those levels, retest those levels, and give me some kind of pullback so I can get an entry. That's all we waiting on. If the chart is taking off, let it do what it's due. Don't chase it. Let it pull back. You want to see a pullback, and then we find the entry. And that's what kind of trader I am. I do trade the impulse, so I trade the pullback, and I'm looking for a bigger move in the same direction. So let's see if these charts want to break these levels. I needed to break my pre-market lows. The only charts that went up is, look, Microsoft breaking the lows. Look at Microsoft. 32. It's rejecting the lows a little bit. If it goes back up in range, you know, that's just chop. We don't trade chop. If you see the chart still trading in between here, just going sideways like that, choppy action. We don't want to see that. I don't trade no chop. Okay, Netflix retested my level. I hate the way Netflix chart move, but I told myself if I see Netflix set up again, because every time Netflix sets up, it always gives me a good move. Damn, AMD is like recovering all the way. Netflix is retesting this weekly level. But yeah, we still in range right now. Everything went back in range. We just holding tight. A lot of choppy action at the moment. A couple of charts giving us a push, but it's a lot of choppy action at the moment. Damn, look at AMD. I just don't like it between those weekly levels. Those weekly levels are strong levels. I like this close below 200 MA. That orange line is my 200 moving average. It's basically a strong level. I usually call the 200 moving average Debo. When I see Debo on the chart, I don't like going that way. So if you see the chart going up to this 200 moving average, I'm not gonna find an entry till it gets above it, close above it, or gets below it and close below it. As you can see right now, we close below the 200 moving average, and we close below VWAP, which is that white line, and we close below the 9 EMA, which is that green line. So you know right now we're in a very bearish momentum right now. So I wouldn't be in calls at the moment, to be honest. Every chart is going down. I would not be in calls right now. If you guys are trading, let me know in the comments. Are you guys trading today? What y'all doing? Appreciate it. What's up, Gar? What's up, Gar Bear? My bad. I ain't had the comments up. What about Apple bouncing off the 200? Let me see. Yeah, Apple's coming down. Let me see something. Yeah, that'd be a good move if Apple can break below my pre-market low. Yeah. I needed to break this level though. Yeah, all the charts that look like they're all below the 200 moving average, to be honest. What's up, Gar Bear? But yeah, damn, Netflix is still going down. Garber, you a day one. You're gonna be a day one. You're gonna be one of my mods in the future, my boy. Garber be here every day. That's what I'm talking about. That's what type of people I'm trying to find, man. People that be at these charts every day. I don't want to trade by myself. Shoot, I'd rather trade with a team, you know what I'm saying? We all get this money together. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can hold these levels. They are breaking my levels right now, so all I'm waiting for is a retest or a pullback, and I'll be in. Damn, Microsoft. Yes, sir. I like this action right here. Amazon weak. Oh yeah, Amazon. I need something to close below my levels. Netflix. Damn, I don't want to chase Netflix. It's already gone. Look at Google. I'm not chasing none. I'm sad I missed that Tesla Friday, thinking I had to buy at the money big one. No, you don't have to buy at the money. I'm glad I taught you that though, man. When you see a chart going down or something, if it's going in a direction, you know it's gonna go in that direction, you can choose any contract basically that's going in that direction. Now, if I do that, I do it lights. You know what I'm saying? I go in light if I do that. If I go to a out of the money contract, but I'm confident in the chart if I'm doing that. You know what I'm saying? I'm very confident in the chart if I'm going out of the money. Oh man, Tesla about to drop off. I'm about to get in this Tesla. Tesla's very weak. But look at the market. The market is going back up. The market is going back up into range. All right, we got a little slight reversal. I'll let it break these levels. I like this QQQ. I like this QQQ. Oh man, Apple. I like this QQQ and Apple. I got QQQ and Apple pulled up. We got 8 minutes until we'll move to the 5-minute chart. Apple is closing below my level. I like that. QQQ giving me a pullback right on the level, man. Oh yeah. Go ahead and break my levels. Go ahead and break my levels. Y'all already know what time it is. Yeah, I like that Apple. The video went up and pulled back all the way back. I need QQQ to break below this level right here. Yeah, I need QQ to break and hold below this level. Apple's already. Oh shit! Let me load up Apple, man. I'm loading up Apple contracts right now. Loading up Apple. Apple broke my level. Let me see if we can get a push off. Now Apple bouncing back off the level. We still gonna hold. We still waiting. See what it does. If it goes up and rejects, we know it's a very bearish momentum. It's a very bearish. Be a very bearish. My bad. Very bearish move. But if it goes up into range, you know that's that chop. We ain't trading that chop. We needed to come back down off of this open price. We got, it's called confluences right here. This is called confluences. So we got open price, which is that yellow line right there, which is a strong level. We got the 9 EMA, which is a indication that you're in a bearish momentum. We got the VWAP, which is the volume weighted price. Which is the volume weighted price. We got all of that sitting under this level. So if we can get under this level and hold, we know it can go down. You see how it's rejecting off the 9 EMA right now? It's rejecting off the 9 EMA. So we have a lot of confluence right now. So still needed to push off this level. I like this SPY and this QQQ. If it can break my level, man. Everything else is choppy. Amazon is choppy. Netflix is not choppy, but Netflix is coming off the 9. Oh, Netflix is on that 900 level. I'm not messing with that unless it breaks that level. All right. I'm glad I can jump in no trade. Everything is going back in the range, probably retesting. So we're just gonna hold tight. All right, we're coming back down a little bit. We got 4 more minutes on the 2-minute chart. 10 o'clock, we go into the 5-minute chart. 10 o'clock, we go to the 5-minute chart. Y'all know on the 5-minute chart, that's where we make that money. I make most of my money on the 5-minute chart. Because by the time I get to the 5-minute chart, it already showed me it's AM. Netflix is retesting open price and going back up. I mean, the video. Look at it. The video went up, came back down, bouncing off open price, which is that yellow line right there I told y'all. It's going back up. So we can close. Netflix basically just showed us that it can hold its lows. So if we can get over this weekly level right here and hold pre-market high, that'll be a good bullish move. But we're gonna hold tight. I bet you like that 200 moving average, don't it? I caught so many trades off of them 200 moving average. It's crazy. People don't know about that, to be honest. Tesla's very bearish. Tesla's about to give a good push. Tesla setting up this flag pattern. Y'all see that flag pattern? It might reverse. It might be setting up a flag to go down this way. I've seen this so many times on Tesla. All right, QQQ has gotten above the 200 moving average. Yep, I'm glad we ain't jumping no puts right there, because that is a pullback. So I wouldn't be looking at, let me see what Apple looking like. At the moment, yeah. If it's going back up into range, we know if it rejects these highs right here again and come back down, we gotta have a push, because right now, think about it. Right now, the traders that are aggressive right now, they're sitting in this chop right here. They're probably thinking we was about to go in the put. They're probably thinking the chart's about to go down. So now they're stuck right now. You see that? Now they sitting in range. They got their money in, about to shit on themselves, because the chart is going back up. So once that, so say if the chart hits their stop loss, when it hits their stop loss, everybody that's in right now, what do you think the charts are going to do? If everybody's selling contracts, what you think you're going to see? You're going to see a lot of bearish momentum. That's when the chart just start tanking, because I was going right now holding contracts and killing contracts right now. They're just going up and down, hitting everybody's stop loss. Everybody getting in and out, in and out. And by the time it's done playing, it's gonna be very weak, and everybody's gonna get to selling because people are impatient. You know what I'm saying? That's why I just wait for the move. I don't even get in that chop. I don't even want to be in it. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Still rejecting open price. All right, it's 10 o'clock. We are about to move to the 5-minute candles. 5-minute candles. We moving to the 5-minute chart. 5-minute. First 30 minutes didn't really see nothing. A little choppy action. Normal Monday action. Normal Monday action. Damn, Netflix. Yeah, look at this 5-minute, man. Look how tight these charts are. Chop. You don't want to trade that. If I see that for the rest of the day, I ain't trading that. We on the 5-minute charts. This Netflix is pulling back. Netflix is a little choppy, but if we can get a push past this counter right here, I'll get an entry on Netflix. Contracts are pretty high. I ain't gonna cap. Them contracts are high on Netflix. But I like how it's very bearish. It's sitting on a weekly level. I like that. Weekly level, that means that's strong resistance right there. Here's my confluences. I got strong resistance right here. I got the VWAP. I got the 9 EMA. I got the candle sitting under Netflix. And it's breaking and it's kind of retesting a little bit right now. So I'm just holding tight. Let me see what Netflix wants to do. But if Netflix passes this candle right here, that's a pullback candle, I'll get an entry. But I'm just holding tight right now. Oh, nah. I just thought about something. That 900 level. I needed to pass that 900 level. All right, SPY. I need to pass that 900 level. Yeah. So any $50 level is a micro level. I might want to write that in your notes. Micro level. Any $50 level is a micro level. So we sitting at 901 right now. So 900 is a micro level. 950 is a micro level. 750, 800, 850, all that is a micro level. So meaning when the chart gets to these levels, they always like to consolidate. It's always a lot of buyers and sellers sitting at these levels, that 900 level. So yeah, we ain't gonna take that right now until we can pass that 900 level. AMD is still strong. Yeah, we got some choppy action in the market today, baby. Yep, I ain't messing with that Netflix. Whenever we're gonna have a chop day, we're gonna have a chop day. That's what they're gonna do to us. Only thing look good is Netflix, but I needed to pass them levels, man. See what Tesla doing. Still consolidating. Tesla still consolidating. Netflix, the only chart. And Google, Netflix, and Tesla. See if we can get a push. See the SPY can close above these below these levels. Everything is just going back in range, man. Y'all know we have these days like this. Everything go back in range. It did this for the first hour Friday. Then all of a sudden, Tesla went crazy, like it's about to do right now. SPY week. SPY is below my level. Let me see if it can hold that level. I needed to break below these lows for it to give me confirmation. There goes Tesla. All right, SPY. 589. We under that 590 level. Let's see how it reacts off this level. There go Tesla. Look at Tesla. Ooh. All right, we're breaking our levels right now. Let's see if we can hold and retest. Let's see if we can hold and retest. Got 2 more minutes on these candles. Let's see. This is how I used to do, man. Once I see it breaking, I'll be in right now. And then it'll reverse on my ass. That was a lesson I had to learn. I needed to break and hold the level first. Then I will find an entry. Google getting under that 200 moving average. Let me see if Google can close under that. Still holding tight. As you can see, it's still playing around that level right there. I like this QQQ. Netflix, I'm not messing with you until you get under that 900 level. Where is Tesla? Still playing around. All right, QQQ. Look at QQQ is under our level. There we go. Got Apple still. I need Apple to break below that 200 moving average. Look at Google. There we go, QQQ. Google's breaking under that 200. Nice move right here. This is a nice move right here. Like I said, if you was aggressive, you could have got in off of that move past that consolidation. Yeah, Apple. Yeah, I just seen Apple. I like this move right here. We need to find us a pullback, and then we can find an entry. We could have been aggressive, but I ain't gonna do it. 518. Damn, that shit moving a whole dollar. Yeah, that's a nice move. But I like QQQ off on this trend line right here. Sitting at a pivot right now. Let me see if it can close under that pivot. Damn, that's a good move right there. Fuck. Let's see what it do on this level right here. It might keep pushing. All right, we got Apple breaking below the 200. Apple closed below. Guardrail, we're gonna take an entry on Apple, man. I like how it closed below 253. I'm taking a 252.5. 252.5 puts. All right, I am in the Apple right now. I'm in Apple puts right now. Apple broke my level. It's sitting under the 200 moving average. Y'all see that? Good call, Garbear. I hope you got in with me. I'm break even right now. There we go. We up 2%. Let's go, Apple. Get on down there, Apple. Oh, yeah, we up 6%. 6%. We up 6%. Garbear. Good call, Garbear. Good call, Garbear. Oh, yeah. My take profit one was be at this target right here. This pivot point right here. Good call, Garbear. We up 6% right now. Let's see if we can get down some more. I like this. We up 8% right now. 8% right now. I'm gonna take a small trim on 8% just so I can see a little green for the day. I'm gonna take a small sell at 8%. I'm still holding. There we go. There we go, Apple. Get on down there, Apple. There we go. 7%. Garbear, did you get in with me? Let's see what Apple want to do, man. It's very weak. 8% right now. Take another. No, I ain't gonna take no trend. I'm still holding. My stop loss is above the 200 moving average. If we hit the 200 moving average, I'm getting out. My stop loss is tight right now. My stop loss is tight right now. If we get above the 200 moving average and close, I'm getting out. We down 1% right now. You got one con in, all right. We down 1% right now. Let's see, it's retesting, trying to see if it want to go that way. Hopefully we can push off of this 200 moving average and get below it. It did close below, so that was a good sign, but we still need it. I'm down 5% right now. I'm still holding though. Let's see if we can get a rejection off this 200 moving average. I'm still holding. They probably just killing contracts right now, man. Coming back down a little bit. I like that Apple. See all that rejection it did this morning? All that rejecting them highs. So Apple you ain't got nowhere else to go, Apple. Come on now. We up 1% right now. We up 2% right now. Up 3%. If y'all need the cash, go ahead and take some trims a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm still holding. Sitting at 2% right now. But QQQ rejected these highs all day, so This is the best chart that we trading, to be honest. We got the best entry. Still holding this 253 level. We needed to break below. All right, we closed below it again. That's a good sign. We closed below the 200 average again. 200 moving average again. That's a great sign. We had this same setup Friday. Let's see what we're going to do. SPY sitting at this weekly level right here. All right, going back up a little bit. Still down 1%. Apple might chop around the 200 moving average for a minute. If we close above, if we get above it and close above, I'm going to get out. Down 2%, 4% right now. Tesla bounced off pre-market low. Let me see. Yep, bounced back into damn range. All right. Everything going back up now, but let's see if we can get a reversal off of this 9 EMA. I like this QQQ too. I'm down 10% right now. I'm still holding though. Down 12. If we can get rejection off this 9 EMA, I will get out. Give me 1 second. Finger is on the trigger though. Finger on the trigger for Apple. I'm not in heavy, so I'm just holding real quick just to see. All right, we rejected a little bit. I do not like this action, man. Low action. But we rejecting that 200 though. Still holding Apple. Still holding Apple. Just gotta wait for the chart. Wait for the chart to see what they want to do today. But this is a good entry. I like this Tesla. You see how it retesting its highs? I mean, not Tesla. QQQ is retesting its highs. That's a good entry right there. Breaking retest at a pre-market low. That's a good entry right there, but I don't like getting in 2 trades at once, to be honest. I ain't even gonna cap to you. Damn, that's a great entry. Shit. Still down 7% on Apple. Still holding. We still holding. Our stop loss is this 9 EMA. We might as well just say it's a 9 EMA. We'll move it to the 9 EMA. We got the pre-market low sitting right here. We got Friday's high sitting right here. And we under those levels. So let's see if we can get a push, man. Damn, that's a good entry on QQQ right now. It's still dangling there. Like, get in if you want to. Look at QQQ. Still holding Apple. Still holding Apple. We are down 9% right now. Tesla's bounced back. Everything is choppy right now a little bit. Down 11% on Apple. Still holding though. It's holding this level pretty good. So let's see. All right, you see how it closed above the 200 moving average? We needed to tap 9 EMA like soon and reverse. Oh my God, I like this QQQ. I'm in QQQ. I'm about to get in QQQ right now. Give me 1 second. I'm waiting on QQQ. Finger on the trigger for this Apple though. Finger on the trigger for this Apple. I need to bounce off this 9 EMA. I'm not in QQQ yet though. I'm not in QQQ yet. Finger is on the trigger for Apple. I'm down 13%. I'm watching this 9 EMA. If QQQ can pass this pullback counter right here, I'm getting an entry. All right. I'm about to get in QQQ. I'm still in Apple, still holding Apple. Still holding Apple. But if QQQ passes this level right here, I'm getting in. Passes this previous counter right here, I'm getting in. Still holding Apple, I'm down 12%. We still holding that 9 EMA. I'm gonna work 2 charts right now just because I like the setup. Still holding Apple. QQQ passes these lows right here, we can get an entry. I don't like that SPY sitting at a weekly level right here, but all right, finger on the trigger, Apple. It's still holding it. It's still holding it. Let me see. Let me see what Apple wants to do. Slow action. This slow action Monday, man. Rejecting a little bit. That's a good sign. Very choppy action today, man. Seen a push. I thought it was gonna keep pushing. Slow action today. Slow choppy action. But we still holding Apple. We down 13%. I need it to get below this 200 moving average again. Need it to get below this 200 moving average. If Tesla gives me an entry on this off of this pullback, I'm gonna take the entry. Tesla gives me the entry off of this pullback. Damn, Apple. Apple sitting at the 9 EMA, still pushing. If this closes above this 200 moving average, I'm gonna get out. I'm down 16% right now. We still rejecting it though. We still rejecting it. We still rejecting that 200 moving average. I mean that 9 EMA. We down 18%. Finger on the trigger for Apple. Finger on the trigger for Apple. We down 17%. It's still holding though. That's why I haven't exited. You see how it's bouncing off? You see that? That's very bearish momentum, man. That's why I'm still holding. It ain't gave me a reason to exit. You know what I'm saying? We still holding. We down 13%. Stop loss is 9 EMA. If we close above 9 EMA, I'm out. And that's just because I have the pre-market low sitting right here. I know if we go above the 9 EMA and the pre-market low and open price and VWAP, all if we go above all that, I know the trend is about to change. It's barely a trend right now, to be honest. We trying to catch the beginning of the trend. You know what I'm saying? I need QQQ to get down below this level. If we get below this level, I'm taking an entry on QQQ. I'm still in Apple. We down 11%. If we can get below this level, this previous candle right here, I'm taking an entry on QQQ. But I don't like how it's chopping though. I don't like the chop. I need a move. We need a decent move right now, man. Yeah. We in the best charts right now, so I told you Apple was gonna chop around here for a minute. But we still chilling though. Let's go, QQQ. You want to be weak today? This weekly level on SPY is the reason why SPY hasn't dumped. I'm pretty sure it's a lot of buyers and sellers sitting right here. Apple, we down 9%. When we first got on Apple, we was up 8%. I told you guys to take a small trim if you needed the profits, but I held and all right, they go QQQ. I'm gonna get an entry if we can pass this candle. We're still down 9%, 8% on Apple. If QQQ can pass this previous pullback candle off the 9 EMA, I'm gonna get an entry. Let's go QQQ. What you want to do? All right, Apple. There goes Apple. There goes QQQ. I haven't gotten QQQ yet. We're down 6% on Apple. We're about to work 2 charts. If QQQ give me an entry, I'm in. I like how we coming off of this trend line. There go QQQ. Come on, QQQ. Still bouncing. See what I'm saying? It ain't gave me the entry yet. I'm still holding. Still down 6% on Apple. Apple is going back under. There we go, QQQ. All right, we still bouncing. I'm holding. I haven't got in QQQ yet. Still in Apple. We're down 7%. I'm still holding QQQ. I didn't like that push. If you can give me another push, I'm in QQQ. Every chart is choppy, man. Tesla went back up. But we rejecting these highs though. That's a good sign. We rejecting all these highs. So QQQ, I'm still not in. Still playing around that level. We still in Apple. We down 10% right now. I couldn't hold. You did? Oh, you took that money? You took that money? Garbear? When we got up like 8%. I'm still gonna hold. Yeah, I know how it be, especially when you're coming off losses, bro. When I be coming off a whole bunch of losses, or when I used to come off a whole bunch, I don't lose a lot now, but man, I used to see green. I used to take it like that. I used to see like 10% up. I need that. Because you be losing so much in the market, man. I done lost a lot of money in the market, bro. Let's see if QQQ can give us a push. But I learned to hold, man, especially after last week when Powell was speaking. I literally played with like $35 contracts. And them contracts went up $400 a piece off of $35. They went up almost 500%. So if you would have put in $1,000 in about 30 minutes, you would have came out with about $5,000-$6,000. When Powell was speaking last Wednesday, I think that was. Yeah. I'm still holding Apple right now. don't know what Apple doing, but I don't like this price action though. Everything is choppy right now. Let's go, Apple. You gonna give me a push now? Come on. You gonna give me a push or what? We're down 8% on Apple. Still holding Apple. I see QQQ. If QQQ can pass this consolidation point right here, I will get an entry on QQQ. I've learned to always take every fucking entry on QQQ because QQQ always have a good setup. Here goes Apple right here. That's another great entry on Apple if you steal it. Oh, you got out, Garber. But it's a great entry on Apple. If you wanted it, you know what I'm saying? You're still holding Apple. I'm down 4% right now. You're still holding Apple. Look at QQQ. I need SPY to reject these pre-market lows. I'm looking at all the other charts. Nvidia not doing nothing. AMD not doing nothing. Meta not doing nothing. Microsoft not doing nothing. Amazon choppy as hell. Apple looking good off of the 200 moving average. That's the only thing. Netflix is playing around this 900 level. Still hasn't broke. Yeah, so see if we can get a move out of Apple, man. Y'all see all these rejections, all these rejections right here. It rejected the open price. It rejected VWAP. It rejected the pre-market low, and it rejected the pre-market Friday's high. So we still holding Apple, man. We down 10% right now. Still holding Apple. I don't know what it want to do. SPY's reacting off this weekly level right here. That's why SPY ain't went down. It's a strong level right here. A lot of buyers and sellers sitting right here at this level. We still holding Apple. Down 11%. See if we can bounce off this 9 EMA. If we can bounce off this 9 EMA, we should get a good push on a good price action day, but it's Monday. Y'all know how Mondays be. I don't see nothing. AMD look like it's trying to get above my weekly level. This Apple just playing around, man. But it is flagging though. Y'all see this flag? We got a flag. Y'all see that flag? So we can break this flag. You should see a good push down, but like I said, it's choppy action in the market. So you're not going to get a good clean move unless we just get a good push. Yeah, so that looked like a little bearish flag to me. So there we go, Apple. Come on, get down there, Apple. There we go, Apple. We're down 6%. We need to get off of this 200 moving average. Get off of that 200 moving average, man. If we can get off of this 200 moving average, we can get us a good move. You said it's Tesla running again? I don't know. Look like it's about to. But If Tesla can get above that 200 moving average, you already know what's up. Yeah, Tesla's rejected these lows and going up. That's the same move it did Friday. Still down 11% on Apple. But I like how we closing below the 200 moving average. Tesla probably trying to make a rally. We needed to pass above open price level and 200 moving average for me to be interested in Tesla. Yeah, that Google did. I mean, not Google, QQQ playing around too much. I think it's not pushing because SPY is not pushing. If you don't know, SPY and QQQ kind of run the same. But y'all see how weak Apple is? It just don't want to give me a push. Don't want to give me a push. Now, it is a 250 level sitting up on the head, but I would think we get a better push before we hit that level if we want to push down to 250. But Apple is still weak, man. By trying to come down. Look at QQQ. Come on, Apple. You got nowhere else to go, bruh. Literally. Where else you gonna go, Apple? You got pre-market low sitting right here. Yesterday's high, Friday's high sitting right here. You got open price sitting right here. You got VWAP sitting right here. We all under those levels. Like, you ain't got nowhere to go, Apple. We got all these confluences. We got 200 moving average, VWAP, 9 EMA, and the open price levels. And you're sitting under my pre-market level. You have nowhere to go. I'm down 2% right now. We still holding Apple right now, down 2%. Choppy action in the market. Y'all see that? Going back up into that range. It looked like we wanted to break our levels today, but they broke them, but now they don't want to move off the levels. You see what I'm saying? Friday's move was from all the way down here all the way to up here. Still holding Apple, man. We down 9%. Sometimes you just get in charts like this. You gotta hold it for the move to happen. If it goes up back into that 9 EMA, the close above that 9 EMA, I'm out. Just because this price action, I don't like it. I'm gonna keep my stop small, keep my stop real tight. You see how QQQ reversing? I don't like that. Finger on the trigger. We still under this 200 moving average though. That's why I'm still holding. If we push above it this time, I'm getting out. Down 13%. Still rejecting. I see that. We still in Apple, man. They still rejecting. QQQ is going back up into range. If QQQ or SPY don't give me a rejection, I'm gonna have to exit this trade. I'm down 15% right now. Finger on the trigger for Apple. Look like I should have exited when Garberry exit. There's some choppy action in the market today. Finger is on the trigger for Apple. All right. I'm out of Apple. Give me 1 second. Let's see. It's still on my 200 moving average. It's still rejecting. Let's see what it want to do off of this 200 moving average. All right, we rejecting a little bit. If we get above it, I'm out. My 200 moving average is that orange line right there. That is a very strong point on the market. In the market, Friday, I did catch a 200% move off of that 200 moving average. If you haven't seen it, just go back to my videos. I did post it. All right, we coming back down off of that 9 EMA. That's a good sign, but QQQ is still pushing up. Y'all see that? I don't like that. Yeah. Slow Monday action. That's what this is right here. Slow Monday action. Fingers on the trigger, down 17%. There's some choppy action right here, guys. This is that chop that you don't trade. Don't trade that chop. I'm just holding the trade. AMD is taking off, man. Finger is on the trigger for Apple still. Look at AMD. Damn, look at AMD. Apple's playing around. All right, guys, I'm out of Apple. I am exiting Apple. Down 17%. Small loss, but you guys don't know, losses are part of the market. You want to keep your losses small. And you want to keep your winners big. We're going to see what this want to do. I like this AMD. What I lost, I only lost what? $35 a contract. Small loss. Now look at Apple, want to come back down. This is that chop in the market, man. That chop. You don't want to trade that chop. When we seen the push off of the pre-market low, I thought it was gonna keep going down. It ain't do it. We only can do what the market gives us. Just that choppy action, man. I'm gonna get this choppy action. Last time I left, when it was choppy like 11 something, I looked at the chart like 30 minutes later. All the charts had took off, man. Amazon has broken. Yeah, I ain't messing with that Apple, man. Apple want to play today. Amazon. Look like I should have took that 8% when I told Garber to take that money. Look at QQQ. Slow action, baby. Slow Monday action. AMD turning back around. NVIDIA, choppy. Meta, chop fest. Microsoft, sitting on a weekly level. Apple, keep being choppy. Amazon is, let me show y'all these charts. Amazon is choppy as hell. Look at that. Those are 5-minute candles. Let me go to SPY real quick. SPY don't want to do nothing today. See that? You don't want to trade that. Netflix gave a push, but stopped. Oh man, look at QQQ. QQ's playing around, man. QQQ looking. It look like QQQ want to go down, but it's playing around, man. This when I get to that point when I be like, these ain't the charts for today. Might as well just wait till tomorrow. I'm about to get to that point in a minute. I like this QQQ though. It closed below the level again. But it just tried to break them lows. It didn't break it. I'm gonna get in QQQ if it can push past this candle right here. Still don't want to push off that level. I'm watching QQQ right now. Look at Apple still doing the same thing. It's the chop that's the day. I don't even want to trade this shit. I don't even want to trade this bullshit. I like how that 9 EMA is sitting right at that level. Let's go QQQ. SPY's pushing. There goes SPY. I'm in QQQ right now. I'm in QQQ. Let's see what they want to do off of this pre-market low. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. You know what I mean? You got to take that risk. I like the setup though. QQQ off of these lows. If it pushes above my pre-market low, I will exit. That is my stop loss. Stop loss pre-market low. That red line right there. Keeping my stop loss tight today just because these markets are choppy, man. Keeping my stop loss tight. That last trade I did made a little bit off of the little 8% we got, but runners ate that up. But we back in another trade. We in QQQ puts right now. Damn, I didn't even tell you what I chose. What strike price I chose? I chose the 517 strike price. It's just choppy action, man. So once you see green, take your green, bro. Don't even hold it. Choppy action. I am down 8% right now. I just don't see how QQQ and Aspire keep projecting these highs and it won't give me a push down. Come on now. Keeps rejecting these highs. If QQQ breaks that pre-market low level, that red level, I'm out. I'm still down 8%. Choppy action in the market today. A lot of choppy action in the market today. Come on, QQQ. Get out of there. Get out of there, man. All right, there we go. We up 1%. Get down there, QQQ. All right. I saw green. QQQ still want to play, but we're going to wait on it. Change it up according to the contract. You got standard number on concept? Do I got standard number of concept? Nah, I don't have standard numbers. I switch it up by how I like the chart looking. Daylight today, our size is a little small, but small to me is about 5-6 contracts. You know what I'm saying? My normal. All right, QQQ. My fingers on the trigger for QQQ. Normal is about 10 contracts. You know what I'm saying? I usually play with like $1,000 plays every play I get in, meaning the contract add up to about $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So if I see a nice setup, I'll size a little bigger. But on a day like today, I was like half size. Like Friday, how you seen everything just sitting above the 200 moving average. You got a lot of confluence. You got a lot of like we had open price sitting under us. We had the 200 moving average sitting under us. So we had a strong support level. So if my risk is small, like right now, my risk, this could be a good day that I would size up a little bit more, but it's a choppy day, so I wouldn't do that. But if it was a good day moving in the market, I would size up more. But I do risk it off of my stop loss. Once I see my pullback candle, which is like one of these candles right here, my stop loss is above that candle. You know, see what I'm saying? So if I get in when this candle passes this, my stop loss will be right above that candle. Right now, I'm just saying my stop loss is that pre-market low just because I know it's a strong support level. I mean, it's a strong resistance level. So if I'm risking less, I'll size a little bit more because I'm risking less. You know what I'm saying? And to be honest, some people use this. I don't use it, but you can use this short position. It's called a short position tab, and you can actually gauge your risk. So right here, I can be risking. So say if my profit target was right here, let me take this off. All right, you see what I'm saying? This is how much I would be risking. I'm only risking 5%. You see that? And if my profit target was down here, I'll be getting So it'd be 5% risk, and I got 19.19 of green to see. You see what I'm saying? But I just don't use this. I don't like all this shit on my goddamn chart. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's over here. It's called long and short position. You just gauge your risk right there, but I can kind of gauge the candle and see if it's gonna be a big risk or a light risk, because that's why we're down 23%. I'm about to get out this, but that's why we actually I would gauge my candles before I get in. So I don't like getting in on a big pullback. I want to see a small pullback. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm out. Not a good day in the market today. Not a good day in the market. But no, so I change it up according to the risk I'm taking. If I'm taking a bigger risk, I'm siding light. But usually my risk, I keep it tight. You know what I'm saying? Choppy day in action. I got 2 small losses. I'm only down like 2% right now. I ain't lose a lot. But you win some, you lose some. I know how it is. It's the people that lose and then you quit. See, and then you be like, oh, trading is not for me. You got to be able to accept them losses. You know what I'm saying? That was a hard thing for me. I had to accept losses, man. I ain't know how to lose. But look at Amazon. I ain't know how to lose, but I had to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? Look at Amazon. So what is holding the market up, bro? I think it's that Tesla. The Tesla is the only bullish chart right now. I like taking these small losses though. I've been wanting to make sure people know it ain't just a winning. We ain't just winning over here. You take some losses, but you got to keep your stop losses tight. You see how I keep my stop losses tight on both of them losses? I still live to fight another day. I ain't blow my account up. My risk management is on point. I'm real strict about my risk management. I don't play about that shit. I'm real strict about my risk management. And risk management is just knowing how much you're going to play with. I got a $2,000 account. To be honest, I'm not playing with more than $500. Probably not even getting close to $500, probably $300. If I had a $10,000 account, I wouldn't play with more than $2,000. Meaning I wouldn't go in with more than $2,000 if I had a $10,000 broker account. You know what I'm saying? Never want to put all your money in at once. Yeah, these charts are shit today, man. But yeah, I'm still gonna post this live video. Still a lot of game. I want people to see these L's. Oh my God, y'all look at Apple. I should have just held. Damn. Oh my God. I said there was no reason to get out. But it started going above that 9 EMA. Damn. Watch it start pushing some more. It's all good. I should have held Apple. I should have held that Apple. It's all good though, man. But man, hope y'all caught a little bit on that first trade. We went up like 10%. Not a great day in the market. Real choppy. I took 2 losses. Hey, I don't give a damn though. Trust me, I lost a lot of money in the market. But yeah, I took 2 losses today. We're gonna be back tomorrow. As y'all know, Friday we got 200% on Tesla. I think Wednesday we got 80-some%. And then when Jerome Powell spoke, we got about 500% on like two, 3 different times we went in when Powell spoke last week. So slow action in the market, Christmas week. So you know how it go, but that's why you keep your stop losses tight. Keep your stop losses tight. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna call it a day right there, man. We're gonna wrap it up today. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna post a video because I want everybody to see everything ain't sweet in the market. You know what I mean? But have a good rest of your day. If you bouncing, all right, Gabriel. Yeah, I'm probably about to bounce in a minute. I'm still scanning these charts just to see if I see something. I don't see nothing I like, man. I don't see nothing I like, man. Usually when this is a rule. Excuse me. This is a rule I use. Usually if I take three first losses, I'll close the laptop. I'm off the charts. I took 2 small ones today. I'm still looking for something else. But by now, 11:30, you don't really see nothing. It's probably going to be slow action in the market. Look at Meta. I'll probably come and look at the chart like 12-1, see what it's looking like. I did that the other day. I went to the chart, looked at the chart like 2-1, and Powell was speaking. Man, that chart was tanking. Damn, I want to go back to that day. I just want to go back to that day, just size up a little bit more. I probably wouldn't even trade it this week. But now, that's gonna end the live, man. Y'all be easy, man. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. I'm here every morning at 9:25 when the stock market open. You know we on it, baby. Y'all have a good day. It's Monday, so I'll be back tomorrow, man. Y'all hang tight.